Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a term that holds significance in modern social interactions and relationships. It refers to the act of meeting someone with the intention of sexual encounters. Let's break down this phrase to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as hookup, hookup, cup, hookup. It's often used informally to describe a one-time encounter or a casual relationship. If you enjoyed learning about hookup, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.